This video demonstrates the natural language understanding capabilities of the AUI cognitive system. The process of understanding natural language involves multiple activities. Consider, Anita Shah has a savings account since 1998. She lives in Pune and owns a print services business. Her savings account balance is Rs 5.22 lakhs and she has three fixed deposits totaling Rs 31 lakhs, of which Rs 10 lakhs matures in January 2020. She owns a Maruti Swift hypothecated to the ABC Bank since January 2018 with a loan balance of 3.2 lakh rupees. She uses a credit card which has an outstanding balance of 1 lakh rupees. She has called in the last 30 days about a loan against equipment of Rs 8.5 lakhs. Now the system ingests the input. The first step in understanding natural language is to identify the participants of activities in the text referred to as the logical entities. As you can see, all the key entities in the input have been identified and extracted. Further, there is a requirement to know which entity is performing what action and what are its implications. The input is thus broken down into simple sentences, each of which comprises a verb, subjects, and objects that we call an event. In the first sentence, Anita Shah has a savings account since 1998. Has been identified as the primary verb, with Anita Shah as its subject and 1998 and savings account as its objects. In the second sentence, she lives in Pune and owns a print services business. The cognitive system has broken down the complex sentence into two simple sentences of lives and owns, and has identified that she here refers to Anita Shah and has performed pronoun replacement. We observe that despite there being 6 sentences in the natural language input, the cognitive system has identified 12 events that have been sequenced on a timeline. The system processes each event and assimilates the effect of the verb on each of the agents in the event. It incrementally enriches the information of the customer with each sentence of the natural language input. For example, we can see that to begin with, Anita only has the ownership of the savings account. But in the next event, information regarding her residence has been added, and so on. Further, the system goes through multiple cycles of inferencing involving activity identification and template completion. The system has thus been able to identify high-level logical activities that are present in the input. The complete information of savings account is mentioned in two separate sentences. Anita Shah has a savings account since 1998. Her savings account balance is Rs 5.22 lakhs. The system consolidates both these pieces of information as belonging to savings account of Anita Shah. Notice that in the sentence, her savings account balance is Rs 5.22 lakhs and she has three fixed deposits totaling Rs 31 lakhs, of which Rs 10 lakhs matures in January 2020. Information regarding both savings account and fixed deposits is present. However, the system differentiates the second product, which is a fixed deposit, from the first. Thus, the system is able to go beyond the boundaries of the sentence to infer activities and builds a relationship according to the input given in parts. In the sentence, she owns a Maruti Swift hypothecated to the ABC Bank since January 2018 with a loan balance of 3.2 lakh rupees. The input doesn't explicitly mention loan. However, the system understands the effect of the hypothecation of a vehicle. It has thus identified auto loan activity and all the information regarding that has been gathered in one place. From the sentence related to fixed deposits, the knowledge of fixed deposit amount and date of maturity has been identified and extracted. The user profile of the customer has been identified and her employment related information has been captured from the sentence. She lives in Pune and owns a print services business. Information regarding inquiries made by the user against the loan have been captured from the information that she has called in the last 30 days about a loan against equipment of 8.5 lakhs. High-level logical reasoning and inferencing has yielded this semantic summary of the user-related information. The information shown here can be customized according to the business needs. It can also include conclusions drawn by applying business rules to the captured semantic data.